Hello everyone, welcome to Ishanth and Sushanth channel. In today's video, we are going to learn Arabic kuthu or halamithi habibo song on big fun piano. So first, I will play the song. So this is how the song sounds like. So now let's learn the song. The first line, E3 4 times, F3, E3 and D3, and then D3 4 times, E3, F3, G3, F3, E3 4 times, C3, E3, D3, and then again D3 4 times, E3, F3, G3, F3, and this is the first line, and this first line will repeat 2 times, and the first line sounds like this. And this is the first line. Now the second line, E3 4 times, C3, E3, D3, and now D3 4 times, E3, F3, D3, E3, F3, D3, E3, F3, E3, and the second line sounds like this. Now I will play both the first and the second line. And this is how the first and second line sounds like. Now the third line, A3, G3, A3, D3, F3 2 times, G3, A3, G3, G3, A3, and again G3, and F3, and G3, and A3, and this line sounds like this. And now the fourth line, A3, G3, A3, D3, F3 2 times, G3, A3, G3, G3, A3, G3, F3, E3, F3, and the fourth line sounds like this. And the line will repeat 2 times, and the third and fourth line, while repeating 2 times, sounds like this. And again it will repeat. And now the song is completed. Now let's play from the first line to these end lines. If you want to refer to the notes, please check the description below. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.